ये किटकैट शेक है और ऐसा किटकैट शेक मैंने कहीं पे भी नहीं टेस्ट किया है, सो आई लाइक इट सो मच। ये हालोल में अभी ओपन हुआ है संतुष्टि, सो ये बहुत अच्छा है। यहाँ पे आके सबको रिलैक्स फील होता है, सो इट्स गुड, आई लाइक इट।
Welcome to Santushti Halol. This is the delicious place for the all youngster can hang out here. Those who are staying in Halol, Pavagadh, Kalol, Godhra, anywhere. Those who are going to Baroda or somewhere, this 3G Arcade, that's the place, that's the location at the toll plaza to enjoy the delicious dessert. There is a different kind of varieties here, very genuine and reasonable price. And you will really enjoy. I tried many products in Baroda, Ahmedabad, Halol, everywhere. But this is the best place. 2011 they started this brand and now it's 10 years and this is the 39th store in Halol. And Halol people will really like this place and our efforts will success. That's I can say. So guys, please do come visit once and enjoy this dessert.
आप बर्थडे मना सकते हैं, आप शादी की सालगिरह मनाइए, आइए यहाँ संतुष्टि के आउटलेट में और मज़ा कीजिए।
This is my second shake of the day. पहला वाला भी बहुत टेस्टी था, इट्स वेरी थिक और मैंने अंकलेश्वर में अभी तक ऐसा शेक तो नहीं खाया है, so it's very yummy, delicious, it's filling and it goes straight to the heart. So thanks Santosh.
એની થિકનેસથી માંડીને એનો ટેસ્ટ, એની ક્રીમીનેસ, જે પણ કહીએ આપણે આઈસ્ક્રીમ પ્રમાણે એઝ કમ્પેર્ડ ટુ માર્કેટ કોમ્પિટિટર્સ અગર આપણે જોઈએ કે આપણે બીજા બધા કેફેસ જોઈએ એના થિક શેક જોઈએ એના કમ્પેરિઝનમાં બહુ જ સારું છે અને એટલો બધો ગળ્યો પણ નથી અને બધું જ પ્રોપર અમાઉન્ટમાં છે અને એનું અંદરનું આપણે આ સંતુષ્ટિની ઇન્ટિરિયર ડિઝાઇન જુઓ કે બહાર બેસવાની જગ્યા જુઓ બધું જ એકદમ એપ્રોપ્રિએટ છે, કેટલા પણ લોકો આપણે આવી શકીએ.
The yummy thick shake, the only place where you get a spoon with a thick shake and not a straw, because it is impossible to have a thick shake with a straw. So really excited and I think it's gonna explode. Amazing.
This is Arya and मैं actually अंकलेश्वर से हूँ but right now I'm staying in Baroda. So when I got to know that Santushti is opening here in Ankleshwar, I was very excited. So right now I am here and drinking a thick shake. So Ankleshwar, please come here. It's amazing.
Really, it's very superb. And first one I like to say, my husband know he is diabetic. So sugar-free milkshake, thick shake, both are very beautiful and tasty and healthy. I think so for him. And I tasted a few other flavors also, thick shake. It's really very good. And I like to say same thing. We tasted natural ice cream too much, but today when I taste this Santushti's milkshake and thick shake, I really like it and hope further it will be too much appreciated by others also. And thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, और हम लोगों ने दो फ्लेवर टेस्ट किए हैं, एक चॉकलेट का और एक है पिस्ता का, और मुझे दोनों टेस्ट बहुत अच्छे लगे हैं। और मुझे लगता है कि जैसे 2 सालों से कोरोना चल रहा है, सब लोग घर पे बहुत बोर हो गए, एग्जॉस्ट हो गए, तो सबको संतुष्ट होना बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया है और सबको खुश भी होना है। तो स्वीटनेस के लिए मुझे लगता है आपको संतुष्टि एक बार ज़रूर विजिट करना चाहिए। बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट है, आप लोग भी खुश हो जाओगे।
I am really happy to have this Santushti in our city, as I have tasted this ice cream in Baroda, and I had a dream that we should have such a ice cream in our city, and I'm thanks to this entire group who has brought this shop in our city, and we are really happy to have this. So all the best to Santushti.
संतुष्टि का मैंने पहली बार बोर्ड देखा था, आई वॉज लाइक मैड, क्योंकि मैं MSU में हूँ, बड़ोड़ा में रहती हूँ, तो बड़ोड़ा में संतुष्टि का बहुत क्रेज़ है। तो यहाँ पे देखा तो आई एम लाइक सो ओवरवेल्म्ड विद दैट एंड थैंक्स टू पूजा दीदी कि उन्होंने यहाँ पे उसके फ्रेंचाइजी खोली है और हमको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली कि हम लोग यहाँ पे रह के भी संतुष्टि का फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं, मतलब उसका टेस्ट।
फर्स्ट टाइम टू अ संतुष्टि आउटलेट and I'm absolutely zapped by the interiors, by the flavors, by the menu and the overall concept. So it's like feeling I'm into a cafe into a Mumbai or Ahmedabad somewhere and not in a place in Ankleshwar. I've heard a lot about Santushti shakes and more from many people from Ahmedabad and Baroda. But trust me, now that it is in Ankleshwar, it's an amazing place to be in. Please do drop in with your friends and family and vote for Santushti.
And having this wonderful thick shake, which is just yummy and super.
For the first time, and it is amazing. The creativity of this studio, it is very good. You should visit here. The interiors, from the waiters, all are doing very wonderful job here, and I have visited for the first time, and my experience is wonderful. It stays and all the desserts are amazing. You should come here and